How to create a spiral staircase in Blender.
This lesson is simple and covers many tools. Okay, let's start.
Create a cube. Scale it down to look like a stair. Keep it just above the x-axis line in front view. Name it Tread. Press Ctrl A, and apply all transforms. Create a cube. Scale it down to look like a baluster in a staircase. And apply all transforms. In edit mode, press Ctrl R and add more loop cuts. And name it baluster. In top view, zoom it, make copies and place them on 4 sides. Join them. Apply all transforms. Under modifiers, apply simple deform. Choose twist and type 360 in the field. Place baluster on top of the stair. Scale down a bit in XY. Apply the modifier. And place it on left side.
Create a cylinder. Type 18 for vertices. Scale down in XY. Place it above axis line. Place it near baluster. Create loop cut at the base. Extrude the faces. Name it baluster 2. Create a cube. Scale it down. Place it on balusters. Name it handrail. Select all objects. In front view, place them on left side. And apply all transforms. Create empty. Select stair. Apply array modifier. Switch off relative offset. On object offset. Refer the empty in the field. Type 60 for count. Now select empty. Type 0.6 in location Z. And -14.2 in rotation Z. Now you can see the stairs has repeated itself in spiral form. Select all objects. Stair as active selection. Apply copy modifiers. Select handrail and select vertices, connect them to nearest copy of handrail. Now select both the faces and delete them. Select stair edges and apply bevel. Select vertices and taper the inner side of stairs. Create a cylinder. Type 38 for vertices. Keep it above. Apply all transforms. Scale up the height. Scale up in XY. Select baluster. Connect top portion of baluster to handrail. Align baluster from top view. Do the same for baluster 2. Select cylinder and name it pillar. Select one vertical edge and top, bottom edges. Apply Mark Seam. In UV Editor, apply Unwrap. Select Faces of Stair. Apply Smart UV Project, and rotate 90 degrees. Apply all transforms. Apply Smart UV Project and rotate. Apply material to pillar. Find checker texture. And connect to roughness and normal. Change the mapping. Scale Z 10.7. For checker node, scale 8.6. Change base color to 0.036. Apply material for stair. Create image texture. Connect to roughness and normal. Apply chrome image texture. Base color to 0.006. Select handrail. Apply material. Refer wood image. Select baluster. Apply material. Give maroon to base color. Apply same to Balsuta 2. Select handrail and check the vertices. They are not merged. Apply modifier. Select all vertices. Apply merge. 0.09 for distance. Now they are merged. Fill the open end of handrail. In the lighting tutorial, we'll explain about lighting. Create plane. Scale up. Apply dark shade. Finally, apply modifiers for all objects. I conduct online classes on Blender and Maya. You may please contact me in my email. Thanks for watching.